You don't need hours of learning or expensive software to work smarter anymore. Right now, there are AI tools that can completely transform the way you work in under 10 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you the best ones, what they do, how they work, and why you actually need them right now to save time and boost productivity. Let's get into it. 1. ChatGPT, your all-in-one writing and thinking partner. Let's start with the one that started it all, ChatGPT. Whether you need to write an email, summarize a long document, brainstorm ideas, or even debug code, ChatGPT handles all of it in seconds. Most people only use it for basic questions, but the real magic happens when you give it detailed prompts. Instead of asking it to write an email, tell it the context, the tone, and who you're writing to. You'll get something that actually sounds like you and saves you 20 minutes of staring at a blank screen. It's free to use, works in your browser, and takes less than 5 minutes to set up. For anyone doing content work, business communication, or research, this tool alone can cut your daily task time in half. 2. Notion AI, the smartest way to organize your work. If you already use Notion to organize your tasks, projects, or notes, then Notion AI is a game changer. You're probably not taking full advantage of. It's built right into your workspace, which means you don't have to switch between apps. You can ask it to summarize a long meeting note, turn a rough idea into a full action plan, generate a table from scattered bullet points, or even draft an entire project proposal from a few keywords. But what makes Notion AI powerful is how well it understands the context of your existing pages. It's not just a chatbot bolted on. It reads your content and works with it. For team leaders, freelancers, and students managing multiple projects, this tool alone can save an hour or more every single day. 3. Grammarly AI, write better without thinking. Twice, Grammarly has been around for a while, but its AI features have gone way beyond just fixing grammar mistakes. Now, it can rewrite entire sentences to sound more professional, more confident, or more friendly depending on what you need. It checks your tone, your clarity, and even your engagement level. For anyone who writes emails, reports, or social media content on a daily basis, Grammarly AI works in the background across almost every platform: Gmail, Google Docs, LinkedIn, Slack, and more. You install it once and it just runs quietly in the background, catching your mistakes and suggesting better phrasing in real time. It's one of those tools that you don't really notice until you turn it off. And then suddenly, everything feels harder. 4. Otter.ai, never miss a word from any meeting. How many times have you walked out of a meeting and realized you missed something important or forgot what was decided? Otter.ai solves that problem completely. It joins your Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams calls and records the full transcript in real time. But it doesn't just transcribe. It also highlights key points, summarizes the meeting, and identifies action items automatically. You can search through old meetings, share transcripts with your team, and even ask it questions about what was discussed. And the free plan covers most basic needs, and it sets up in under 5 minutes. For remote workers and anyone who sits through a lot of meetings, this tool is honestly a lifesaver. 5. Canva AI, professional designs. Without being a designer. Canva has always been easy to use, but with its AI features, creating professional visuals is now almost instant. The Magic Design tool lets you describe what you want in plain language, and Canva generates a full layout for you, complete with images, fonts, and color schemes. There's also Magic Write for generating text inside your designs, and a background remover that works in one click. Whether you need a social media post, a presentation, a flyer, or a thumbnail, you can go from blank screen to finished design in under 10 minutes. For small business owners, content creators, and marketers who don't have a design team, this is one of the most practical AI tools you can use on a daily basis. 6. Perplexity AI, smarter research in half the time. If you spend a lot of time researching topics online, Perplexity AI is going to save you an enormous amount of time. Think of it as a search engine that actually understands your question and gives you a direct, clear answer instead of a list of links to click through. It pulls from real current sources across the web, shows you where each piece of information comes from, and even suggests follow-up questions to help you go deeper. Unlike ChatGPT, Perplexity always cites its sources, which makes it great for research where accuracy matters. You can use it for anything from quick fact-checking to deep topic research. Now, it's completely free to start with and works right in your browser. No installation needed. 7. Zapier AI. Connect your apps and automate the boring stuff. Zapier has always been about automation, but its AI makes it usable for everyone. No coding needed. You just describe what you want in plain English and it builds the workflow for you. For example, when someone fills out my form, add them to my email list and send a welcome email. It connects thousands of apps and it automates repetitive tasks, so your work runs in the background while you focus on what matters. 8. Loom AI. Send clearer video messages. Faster. Sometimes a quick video is faster than writing a long email or holding a meeting. Loom lets you record your screen and face and instantly share it with a link. Its AI automatically creates transcripts, both summaries, titles, and even removes filler words like and You can also extract key action items from any recording. For remote teams, it's a simple way to communicate clearly without adding more meetings. 9. Copy.ai. Generate marketing content on demand. If you run a business, manage social media, or work in marketing, you know how much time goes into writing content, product descriptions, ad copy, email campaigns, Instagram captions, blog intros. Copy.ai takes all of that off your plate. You give it a quick description of your product, your audience, and the tone you want, and it generates ready-to-use copy in seconds. It has templates for over 90 different types of content, from Facebook ads to YouTube descriptions to cold email sequences. The quality is genuinely good, not just generic filler, but actual persuasive language that fits your brand. For small teams and solo entrepreneurs who can't afford a full-time copywriter, Copy.ai fills that gap immediately. 10. Fireflies.ai. Your AI meeting assistant that does it all. Fireflies.ai takes meeting productivity to a completely different level. It automatically joins your video calls, records everything, and then gives you a full transcript, a smart summary, action items, and even sentiment analysis so you can see how the conversation went. You can search across all your past meetings using keywords, which is incredibly useful if you're trying to recall what was discussed in a call from 3 weeks ago. Fireflies also integrates with your CRM, so if you're in sales, it can automatically log call notes without you lifting a finger. For teams that run on meetings and calls, yet this tool pays for itself in the time it saves within the very first week of use, and that's your list of 10 AI tools that can boost your productivity in less than 10 minutes. The best part? Most of these have free plans, so there's no reason not to start today. You don't have to use all of them. Pick the 2 or 3 that match your biggest daily pain points and start there. Even one of these tools used consistently can save you hours every single week. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe, because I post videos like this regularly, showing you real practical ways to work smarter with AI. Drop a comment below and tell me which tool you're going to try first. I'll see you in the next one. Does so